Hey guys, in this video, I will show you Fishing Planet promo codes. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open up your preferred browser. And the first website for Fishing Planet promo codes is redeemcodetoday.com. So go ahead and open the website and search for Fishing Planet. You will then be shown with the promo codes for Fishing Planet. Simply copy the code and paste it further in Fishing Planet to use the code. Next website for Fishing Planet promo codes is medium.com. So open the Medium website and in the search bar, type in Fishing Planet promo codes and you will be shown with a bunch of promo codes for Fishing Planet. Use them further in Fishing Planet. And the third website for Fishing Planet promo code is Steam. So open Steam Store and search for Fishing Planet promo codes in the interface that you will be led to. You will be shown with all the active promo codes. So simply copy the code to use the code further in Fishing Planet. So these are the best 3 Fishing Planet promo codes websites. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.